Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The topic for today's video is how you can get cheap items on Temu app. Guys, the process is very easy. You just have to follow me step by step and please do not skip the video. Let's get started without wasting any time. Guys, first of all, you can see that there's this Temu icon on my screen. I'll click it. After clicking this icon, it brings me to this interface. First of all, I'll go to settings and I'll make sure that country and region selected are US. After that, I'll go back and go to the categories section and I will write cheap stuff in the search bar. Guys, here you can see I get the cheap stuff and the products that are very cheap. Guys, I can now add these products to my cart and then check out. Guys, this was an easy process and I hope you liked it and you understood it. If you liked the process and understood the process, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.